Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage risk mitigation with Qualys easy tutorial step by. To manage risk mitigation with Qualys, start by logging into your Qualys account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. From the dashboard, locate the Vulnerability Management module. Click on Vulnerability Management to access the relevant tools. Now, go to the Assets tab within the module. Here, you can see a list of your assets and their corresponding risk scores. Select the asset you want to analyze for risk by clicking on its name. After selecting the asset, look for the Vulnerabilities section. In this section, you will find a list of identified vulnerabilities for the selected asset. Review the risk levels associated with each vulnerability. For higher risk vulnerabilities, click on the corresponding link for more details. Evaluate the severity of each vulnerability based on the Common Vulnerability Scoring System, or CVSS. Next, prioritize the vulnerabilities based on their risk levels and potential impact. To mitigate these risks, navigate to the Remediation tab. Here, you can create tickets for assigned team members to address high-risk vulnerabilities. Consider scheduling regular scans to continuously monitor your assets. Once remediation actions are taken, ensure to verify that vulnerabilities have been resolved. Return to the dashboard to track the overall risk posture of your environment. You can generate reports summarizing the vulnerabilities and the mitigation actions taken. Finally, regularly review and update your risk management strategies to adapt to new threats. By following these steps, you will effectively manage risk mitigation using Qualys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.